Very speaking.
And you confirm that you are Tebogo Mnisi.
Do confirm same.
Mr. Nkaki, you may proceed.
Thank you, Worship. Worship, the accused before court is charged with 5 counts. With permission of the court, Worship, I proceed to the counts to the accused.
May we do 1 count and a translation be of edited.
That's the court. First count, Worship, is premeditated murder. It being alleged, Worship, that on the 26th of October 2025, and at Onyama Melodi, in the district of Mamelodi, the accused did unlawfully and intentionally killed Siamo, a Sweetness Marumoa, a 22-year-old female person, by means of shooting her with a firearm. The state averts, Worship, that this is a premeditated murder in that the accused sourced and obtained an unlicensed firearm and ammunition with the main purpose of killing the victim.
Well, mina tokatana na yana ki kabani mental. Ya pele bakit premeditated murder. Unale kubolaya mtu, unale kulao ya mcha na hande mbili, mpa huna sisa. Meditate. Bale ba ele bakalawa bakit kumala to una handi sisa. Kulao ya kubolaya mtu kama ni kibisa to una handi sisa. Kausieta bale ilela to la pilaya ulukata tunya selo kisese momalawo la fumana le tona libule selo ilela sebisa osona sunese kansina. Bale mofu lentia mo fitness magumulwa nanale moteka bantu 22 umutu amsali elo kuila la shala bopelo ba haita 22 ka papatari 26 October 2022.
Premeditated murder, it being alleged to shoot that on the 26th of October 2025 in Mamelodi, in the district of Mamelodi, the accused did unlawfully and intentionally kill Buliseng Miranda Maramoa, a 21-year-old female, by shooting her. Also, here the state asserts that the murder was premeditated in that the accused sourced and obtained an unlicensed firearm and ammunition with the purpose of killing the victim.
Do you understand the charge, Mr. Mnisi?
Correct, sir.
The third count, Worship, is attempted murder. It being alleged that on the 26th of October 2025, near Mamelodi, in the district of Mamelodi, the accused did unlawfully and intentionally attempt to kill Desmond Sineng, an adult male, by shooting him with a firearm. Count, Worship, is possession of a firearm without a license. It being alleged that on the 26th of October 2025, and at Onyama Melodi, the district of Mamelodi, the accused did unlawfully and in his possession a firearm to wit a 9mm pistol with a make unknown.
October 2026.
Understand the charge, Mr. Mnisi?
Yes.
The fifth count, Worship, is possession of ammunition. It being alleged that on the 26th of October 2025, and at Onyama Melodi, in the district of Mamelodi, the accused did unlawfully have in his possession ammunition to hit 4 times unknown caliber of live rounds without being a holder of a license in respect of a firearm capable of discharging the ammunition, a permit to possess the ammunition, a dealer's license, a manufacturer's license, a gunsmith's license, import, export, or a transit permit or transporter's permit issued in terms of this act, or otherwise authorized to do so.
You can appoint an attorney that you pay with your own funds. You can use legal aid that is fully paid for by the state, or you can elect to speak for yourself. Do you understand?
May I approach? Yes, ma'am.